I guess Case Place closing. It's noon. Fredericton. What is it? February 13th? Better not. One of these days, I'm gonna go buy myself a sub. It's gonna be a nice walk. This afternoon, or should I wait till tonight? It can't be open. Yeah. You're still open?
Oh yeah, I'm here.
I got my video on. I'm not showing you. That's all right. Till what time?
6.
Till what time? All day?
Oh yeah, until 6, yeah.
Huh? You're tough. Okay. Yeah, really. Okay. Pharmacy still open. Health clinic still open. You guys not going to shut down?
No, we're not shutting down now.
No?
Try the green grapes.
They're still open?
Try the green grapes.
They're open all day?
Till 1 for sure.
Till 1 for sure?
You're on camera, Pat. You're live.
No, no, just want to know if you're still open.
Yeah, of course we are.
That's good.
I don't know. Try the green grapes, Carol. They're phenomenal.
I haven't stolen a grape. I haven't stolen a grape for
Stolen when it's off. Try them. They're great.
that.
Try well, the reason all doors are open.
You gotta wash them first.
Yeah, well, I walked around and the doors are open.
Okay. There you go. Yeah. Good service. Bring the grape. Yeah, get your meat market. You want some grapes? Just go in there. I used to steal grapes there all the time. It's been 2 months since I found out they were filthy. It's too funny. Get your meat market. Get some grapes. Wow, she's bad. Getting worse. Yeah, I'll bring the dog for a walk this afternoon. Walk the bridges. Why not? Oh, by the way, just for the record, I don't go in people's places, private property, put the camera on. We're giving publicity to the pharmacists and the Victory Meat Market, which they never expected me to walk in there with a camera. Ooh. Don't need to be out. Stay inside. And Fisher Meat Market, go for the break.